Got to hang these up somewheres. Probably ought to clean off that mill too. Yeah, got a little ahead of it, but we were over there, so we picked it up, brought it over. I don't know where to hang them either. Maybe over there. Got to put up some hangers. But since I don't have any right now, we'll just drag them over here. All right, so the mill's cleaned off with the last project. I'm going to tighten this up. It tells you right here, 2.5 to 3. 1, 2, 3. I usually always unplug my power lift, so we'll go ahead and plug that back in. We'll push the mill down here to make it easier to get that log on here through that little narrow 9-foot doorway. A little extra work, but this works pretty nice in here. Got to have the toys and the sawdust. This is a nice clamp, you know, for just being a cheapie. It grabs a pretty good sized log. It's right up. I do like that.